love getting on and going for a ride. As you can see, Jen has parked her car kind of blocking me from going down the driveway, so I'm gonna go through the backyard and go into the alley there. But as you can see, on our concrete slab that we had poured earlier this year, the camper's not there. It's my truck instead. And no, we have not gotten rid of our camper. The last camping trip that we went on, a large oak branch fell and did some damage to our camper. Smashed a window, dented the upper sill plate for the slide out. Some other damage happened as well. And I'll actually show you some images of that. There was broken glass all over the ground and everything. But contacted my insurance and they said you can take it wherever you want to get it fixed. So I took it up to the dealership where we bought it up in Lake Mills. And they've been talking back and forth with me and my insurance company. They got their estimate photos done and sent over to the insurance company, and I just got word that the insurance is going to cover the damages, and I just need to pay our $500 deductible. So I said, great, let's get going on it. So right now it is early November for me, and I know you guys are getting to see this probably about mid-December. So I don't know, how things are going to change for me between when I'm recording this and you guys are seeing it. Maybe I'll have my trailer back by then. I don't know. I've already gotten the check from the insurance company to pay the dealership for the repairs. And then I also told the dealership, I go ahead and winterize it too. That way I don't have to go through with the process. So by the time I get the trailer back, hopefully sometime in December, maybe January, I'll have everything ready for it to sit for the winter, but everything will be repaired and fixed and ready to go next year. Speaking of the end of the year, I think, if I remember correctly, this could be my last vlogging video that I make for the year. So I'm gonna remind you as to what I do come the end of the year. I basically take 3 weeks off. So I think this video is going to come out on the, the 13th of December. I'll have one more Rustic Road video coming out before the end of the year, and that will be next week. And then I think I even have a project bike build video coming out on the 31st. But those videos are already made and done, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. So I just scheduled it that way. But then, as far as the Wednesday videos go, my standard stuff, after next week's Rustic Road ride, I won't be posting anything for a few weeks. I think my first posting will probably be like mid-January, something like that. But like I said, right now for me it's early November, so I am going to record, edit, and schedule up new videos for 2024. You know, just a few things to help get me by through the winter months. And I have to do more riding videos because I'm still not able to go on hikes. My foot still hurts. My right foot is very painful. My supervisor lost an argument to have me go into my old department for one day and work that strenuous job. Now granted, they put me in a section that isn't as physical, meaning the product that I was moving isn't nearly as heavy, and I wasn't having to walk as far while doing my job. But my back did very well in it, so I was happy with that. But my foot, my right foot, it literally set me back probably about 2 weeks. You know, the pain in my foot just increased that much, and yeah, now I'm having to wait for that plantar fasciitis to subside a little bit more, and so it's going to take a little bit longer. And I guess they just don't understand. I'm still walking with a major limp, major pain, especially in the morning too, when those muscles are all tight from, you know, not being used all night long when you're sleeping, and then you go to stand. Oh, it hurts. It really, really hurts. Trying to think if there's anything else going on that I need to tell you guys about. I'm sure there is. I just can't think of anything right now. It's the way it always goes, you know. I need to go out and I need to talk about this and talk about this and talk about this and talk about this, and I have like 4 or 5 things that I want to talk to you guys about, and then I get out here and it's like, what the hell was that list again? Look at all those geese out there. All migrating south. So yeah, I think that's going to be the end of my video then, guys. Like I said, don't expect anything after next week's Rustic Road video. I'm going to take a few weeks off for the holidays. I want you guys to do the same, but please be careful out there. Don't drive drunk. You know, call an Uber, call Lyft, call a taxi, whatever. Don't drive drunk, guys. Take care of yourself, and always believe, heart, soul, mind, and body, that you can cook that food, that you can ride that ride, that you can go on that adventurous little hike, even if it's to the corner of your block. Always believe, heart, soul, mind, and body, in yourself, that you can do it. Bye, guys.